how to find the equation of a straight line when you're given two coordinates on that line in 130 seconds. Let's go. This, guys, is a pretty tricky topic. Pause the video now and see if you can get it. Let's have a look. The question says, calculate the equation of the straight line which goes through the points 4, 7 and 8, 15. What are we going to do? Well, to have the equation of a line, what do we need? We need the gradient and we need the y-intercept. Why? That's because the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. So if we can find our gradient and our y-intercept, we've pinned down our line. What are we going to do? Step number one, we're going to use those two coordinates to find the gradient of the line. How are we going to do it? We're going to use the fact that the gradient of a line, we're going to have our gradient is equal to our change in y between those two coordinates divided by our change in x. Now, what's the change in y? In the y direction, we go from a coordinate of 7 to a coordinate of 15. That's a change of 8. So the change in y is going to be 8. We're going to divide that by the change in x. What's the change in x? We go from 4 to 8. That's going to be a change of 4. So we can say that the value of the gradient is 8 divided by 4, which is going to be 2. Now, guys, we've done half the battle. We found the value of the gradient. So we can rewrite the equation of our line, y equals mx plus c. Now we know the value of m. The value of m is going to be 2. So we can write this as y equals 2x plus c. Now, where do we go from there? We need to find the value of c. How are we going to do it? We're going to substitute one of our coordinates, and can be either one of them, into the equation of our line. That's going to eliminate the y and the x, and will allow us to rearrange to find the value of c. What are we going to get? Let's substitute in this coordinate, the smaller one, 4, 7. What are we going to have? Well, we know that when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7. So we can say that 7 equals 2 times by our value of x, which is 4, plus c. 2 times by 4 is 8. Taking 8 from both sides, what are we going to have? We're going to have 7 minus 8, which is minus 1. So we can say that minus 1 equals c. I said that pretty quickly, guys. What we did was we did our 2 times by 4, which was 8. Then we tucked that away from both sides to get the value of c, get c on its own. We now know that c is equal to minus 1. Where do we go from there, guys? Now we just rewrite the equation of our line. We have that y is equal to 2x. Now we can substitute in our c, which is minus 1. So we have y equals 2x minus 1, the equation of our straight line.